Hook, have you ever wondered just how much money you can stash away in your Monzo account? We've all been there, staring at our balance and wondering if there's a limit. Let's dive into the world of Monzo and find out. Context: Monzo, the UK's beloved digital bank, has gained a reputation for its sleek interface, fee-free spending, and a host of other perks. But what about the big question? Is there a cap on how much money you can keep in your account? The short answer: while Monzo doesn't impose a hard limit on the amount of money you can deposit, there are a few factors to consider. Your individual circumstances: Monzo may conduct checks to ensure your account activity aligns with their terms and conditions. If they suspect unusual or suspicious activity, they might limit your account. Regulatory limits: as a regulated financial institution, Monzo must adhere to various regulations, including those related to money laundering and terrorism financing. These regulations may indirectly affect the amount you can hold in your account. The long answer: let's break down the factors that can influence your Monzo balance. Monzo's terms and conditions. Acceptable use policy: Monzo has guidelines on how you can use your account. If you violate these guidelines, they might take action, including limiting your account. Anti-money laundering, AML, and counterterrorism financing, CTF. Monzo is required to comply with AML and CTF regulations. If they suspect you're involved in illegal activities, they may freeze or close your account. Regulatory limits. Financial Conduct Authority, FCA. As a UK-regulated bank, Monzo must adhere to the FCA's rules. These rules may indirectly affect the amount you can hold in your account. European Union, EU, regulations. If you're based in the EU, your account may be subject to EU regulations, which could also impact your balance. Your personal circumstances. Income source: Monzo may inquire about your income source to ensure your funds are legitimate. Spending patterns: if your spending patterns are unusual or inconsistent, Monzo might investigate. Account activity: frequent large deposits or withdrawals may trigger additional checks. Additional considerations. Monzo Premium: if you have a Monzo Premium account, you might benefit from higher deposit limits or other perks. Joint accounts: if you have a joint account with someone else, the combined balance will be subject to the same limits. Business accounts: if you have a Monzo business account, the limits may differ. Real-world examples. Case Study 1. A customer tried to deposit a large sum of cash into their Monzo account. Monzo flagged the transaction for review due to the unusual nature of the deposit. After conducting due diligence, Monzo determined the funds were legitimate and allowed the deposit. Case Study 2. A customer was involved in a suspicious activity that violated Monzo's terms and conditions. Monzo froze their account and conducted an investigation. As a result, the customer's account was permanently closed. Conclusion: while Monzo doesn't have a strict cap on the amount of money you can hold in your account, there are factors that can influence your balance. By understanding Monzo's terms and conditions, regulatory requirements, and your personal circumstances, you can ensure your account remains in good standing and avoid any potential limitations. Call to action. Have you ever experienced any issues with your Monzo account balance? Share your experiences in the comments below. End screen. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.